Hello, everyone. My name is Saeed. I am the Chief Marketing Officer for Tranquil, and I'm excited to talk about our platform today. Our vision is to empower mental health patients and patient advocates in seeking new mental health treatments with evidence based information from a highly trusted community of researchers and providers. One major problem that we deal with today is that individuals suffering from mental health disorders that are especially treatment resistant sometimes feel lost and isolated when searching for credible evidence based sources of information on mental health treatments online. So, a solution that we provide is to develop a platform that provides an evidence based information on new and unconventional treatments from a group of highly trusted psychiatric providers and researchers. How will we implement our solution? So here are some features that we're planning on having. We're going to have a feed of content produced by researchers, videos, live streams, conferences, uh, and this content will have to be authorized by our content planners before it's posted, and we mandate that the video content is based on peer-reviewed research. We will have forums for discussing alternative treatment options, and it will be limited specifically to posts by providers and researchers. Gamified citation system. So we will have a citation system on content where individuals will be able to highlight what content is anecdotal, what content is directly from the research, what content is stories, stuff like that. We will also vet researchers and providers before they join our platform. About our community, so we will have an anonymity amongst our patients and patient advocates. Patients and patient advocates will not be allowed to communicate with each other directly because we want to limit anecdotal communication. Researchers will be able to provide video content on our platform, and providers will be able to explain information and network with researchers about the efficacy of their treatments. So current competition that we have right now are, there are five. There are current medical information platforms. Issue with current medical information platforms, YouTube channels, medical forums, and popular forums all revolve around lack of credibility. Medical forums especially may have outdated information. YouTube channels, YouTube, Reddit, Facebook doesn't mandate that content creators are licensed or practicing in the mental health field. And this brings a major issue of untrustworthy information that does come out and that can actually be harmful. And finally, we also have research social networks and listservs, such as ResearchGate. Most content is too technical for patients to understand, so Tranquil will have digestible information for the everyday person. Another issue with research social networks and listservs is that they are closed to public and you must be affiliated with a research institution to access these sites. Tranquil will be available to everyone. For our financials, we will have revenue streams involving non-medical ads to prevent a conflict of interest there. We will also charge providers for CMEs, which is continuing medical education. We'll also allow patients to sell their own data with anonymity. We will have partnerships with providers or research companies, and we may also provide premium features. By year one, we're projecting to have $215,000 of revenue. By year two, we're projecting that number to raise to 1.4 million, and by year three, we're expecting 8 million of revenue. Our team right now consists of four. I am the CMO, the Chief Marketing Officer. I have a bachelor's in psychology. I was the founder of Active Minds at UC Davis, which is a mental health advocacy group. I'm a college advisor for high school students, and I help them get into college and pursue other secondary careers. I have experience in a student-run clinic, and I used to be a mortgage loan originator as well. Sarosh Vacha is our CEO. He has a bachelor's in psychology with a strong background and experience in clinical experience as well as science education. Our CEO is Arjun Banerjee. He's worked with multiple tech startups in data privacy, and he is a computer science graduate from Purdue and a management student at Carnegie Mellon University. Our CPO is Daniel Lam. He's previously worked on multiple research projects in labs and clinical research. He worked as a student-run clinic coordinator at Bayani Han Clinic, which is a student-run clinic at UC Davis, and he also entered at Aphelion Capital, which is a medical device venture capital firm. We also plan on continuing to have a strong relationship with doctors in the industry so that we stay credible as well as stay flexible with new information. Our advisory board will be Dr. Andrew Gerber, Dr. Briza Fernandez, and Dr. Prasoon Mishra. Our current growth strategy. From the first month, we will acquire 15 researchers to work and generate regular content. For the second month, we should have at least 100 patients. And by the third month, we're planning on having 20 to 30 private clinics that are direct partners on our site. Current milestones that we've achieved. Our alpha prototype is live and active on dev/tranquil-tranquil.pantheonsite.io. We currently have 16 customers. We have 6 researchers on board, 4 patients, and 6 providers. Tranquil has the potential to really change the way we digest credible information on new and unconventional treatments, and we have the ability to really help people out here. So we're excited and looking forward to what we can provide.